GoHighLevel for Restaurants tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GoHighLevel for restaurants. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on GoHighLevel, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoHighLevel, it is a comprehensive marketing automation platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it integrates various tools and features to streamline operations, enhance customers' engagement, and drive sales. And also the platform includes CRM capabilities, email and SMS marketing, landing page builders, funnel creation, and appointment scheduling, all within a single interface. And this all-in-one approach allows users to manage their marketing campaigns more efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, and gain valuable insights through analytics and reporting. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start a Day free trial button. And after that, all you need to do is simply sign in your account, then you will be directed in this dashboard. And it will show us in here on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But to proceed creating an account for restaurant, just simply click the Sub Accounts button and proceed by clicking Add Sub-Account on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is simply choose here your Snapchat templates, in which it will show us in here a variety of templates to choose from. But since we're creating for restaurants and there is no restaurant in here, I'm going to click this blank snapshots so I can continue. And upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the location of our restaurants, in which you can simply enter here manually. For instance, I'm going to enter here this location in here, and upon clicking on it, you simply click this result, and after saving it, the next thing that you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including the account info such as your first name, last name, your email address, and your general info in here to enter the business name. You're also required to enter here the address, your phone number, or even your website. And after filling out the required information, just simply click the save button below to proceed. And after saving it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, just click switch to sub account button on the top right corner. And upon doing so, you'll now be able to be directed in here, in which this is basically what the dashboard looks like, where you can start tracking here the opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion rate in here, the funnel value, stage distribution, task, manual actions, lead source report, and other kind of reports in here. So you can track all of those kind of reports and analytics on this page or dashboard. Moving on, by clicking the Launchpad button on the left side panel, it will automatically show you that you can start connecting some of your Facebook account, your messaging, your Stripe account, and even to manage your Google Business profile with your CRM in here. All you need to do is simply click the connect button to proceed and fill out the required information. And also in creating a site or website, just simply click the sites button on the left side panel. And from here, just simply go to this websites on the top panel and proceed by clicking plus new website button in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that you have the option to choose from templates. And upon clicking the continue, all you need to do from here is to simply choose which kind of template you want to customize or to create using. But on this pop-up window, I'm just going to search on the search bar in here, restaurant, and below it will show us the result of all of the templates available. So let's say I'm going to choose this one and click the continue button on the top right corner. And upon doing so, all you need to do is to wait for it to load to add the template in here. Then you will automatically be directed on this website. And it will show us in here some of the elements that contain of this template, including the logo in here. By clicking on it, you can start adding a logo, while on the right side panel, it will show us the editing tools that we can start navigating and customize, including to change the background color in here, adjust the font size, font weight, and many more, and even the animations in here. But for instance, I'm going to enter here or change this context into welcome to JBL restaurant. So as you can see, it is so easy to start customizing some of the context and other element that this template contains. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you that we can also enter here our email, phone number, and even our address of our restaurant. And by clicking the pages, it will show us in here that we can go to different kind of pages of this website and start customizing it depending on our preferences. And you could also click the save button or the publish button if you're now done customizing this website. Now going back on this page, once again, aside from creating a website, you could also navigate this chat widgets, in which it is important tool for enhancing customer engagement and support on websites. And its primary purpose is to simply facilitate real-time communication between businesses and their website visitors, allowing for immediate assistance and interaction. So kindly click the chat widgets button right here, and upon doing so, you'll now be able to be directed in here where you can click this plus new button, and from here you have the option to choose live chat, WhatsApp or SMS or email. But in those options, I'm going to choose this live chat. By clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed in here, and it will show you on the right side panel what the widget looks like in here. This is basically what it looks like when a customer click it. It will open the conversation or messages. Well, on the right side panel from here, we can start customizing the style of it, the chat icon, and even the color theme depending on your preferences, and even select or enter the welcome messages in here. You could also enable the custom greeting if you want to, by simply entering here or simply changing this kind of context in here. And it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like, in which this chat widget in GoHighLevel is essential feature for businesses aiming to enhance customer interactions, streamline the support processes, and ultimately drive sales through improved engagement and lead management in creating or in using for your restaurants. Now going back in here, aside from that, we could also navigate here this funnels option to start creating a funnels, in which it is specifically designed for restaurants to optimize their marketing and sales processes, ultimately driving customer engagement and increasing revenue. So from here, just simply choose the template like we did on creating a website. Now moving on, we could also navigate here this option including these conversations. By clicking on it, from here it will show you that this feature is designed to enhance customer engagement and streamlining the communication for restaurants. You can add here a snippet or text or even email in here by simply filling out all of this required information to start creating one. And you can even test it out in here. Moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the calendars, in which it is also has designed for restaurants to streamline their booking and scheduling processes, including these appointments in here, where you can click the book appointment and start filling out this required information to start booking an appointment for a customer. Moving on, we could also navigate here some of the options including these contacts to see the smart list or the bulk auctions in here, and we can manage properly. Moving on under this marketing section, by clicking on it, we'd also create here a social planner, snippets, emails, countdown timers, and many more. And outside from all of those features, you could also go to the settings option, and under this business profile, if you scroll down in here, you'll be able to see the option to enable missed call text back, in which it is designed to enhance customer communication and improve service responsiveness. Its primary purpose is to simply ensure the potential customers who call but do not reach a live representative receive timely follow-up messages. You could also navigate here on the left side panel this conversation AI. However, you must have an upgrade account in order to navigate or access this kind of feature, in which from here you can start automating communication and streamlining the booking process, which is to manage inquiries related to the table reservations, menu options, and special requests efficiently. So basically, GoHighLevel serve as powerful tool for restaurants, enabling them to optimize their marketing efforts and streamline operations. And that is just basically how you can start using GoHighLevel for restaurants. Thank you.